See, the problem here in India is that we do not recognize what Pakistan is, what Pakistan stands for, and what Pakistan feels about India. We are their eternal enemy. In India, we have people think still hoping, that something will happen and there will be candlelight vigils and not anymore, I hope. But we must understand that who our enemy is. They are our enemy. I mean, we shouldn't hesitate in saying so because their actions have proven it over the last 77, 78 years. So every Indian, irrespective of region, caste, faith, etc., must understand this. So there is no question right now of trying. Of course, we want to avoid a war, and we will, if when the occasion arises, I'm sure the government will talk also. But right now, the focus is on this particular incident, and we all must realize.
They know. They keep saying "Dushman Mulk, Dushman Mulk."
I'll tell you a story. I mean, if I may, when I was in Islamabad, and Tilak could probably know whom I'm referring to. When I just arrived there in July 1995, we were invited by a very nice couple for dinner, my wife and I, and they were obviously cleared by the ISI because otherwise they dare not invite an Indian diplomat to their home. And they brought their children, and the older daughter was only 6 or 7 years old, and we were introduced as Uncle, Auntie hain, Indian High Commission ke Indian. You know what her answer was? Hi, ye to hamare dushman hai. Then the mother got very upset, and then while going, she said, "Hey, school mein dekhte hain, Hindu hamare dushman hai." So I mean, that is a small child is being taught that in school.
Pakistan studies.
In Pakistan. So there was a book, if I remember, K.K. Aziz.
Yeah,
about
Murder of History.
Yeah, exactly. Where they talk about the history being taught. Now in our schools, are we taught that? No. So there's a big difference.
J.M. Dixit's book also, right? He said
right.
This when he went, similar incident, when he went, somebody came and said Indian kutta. In a living room, said Indian kutta.
You see, even the कायदा जो होती है ना, जब आप A for apple, B for ball, उनकी जो कायदा है उसमें I've seen myself. ज़ से जालिम, वहाँ सरदार की फोटोग्राफ है. So in the mind of a 5-year-old child, all Sardars are zalims.
Tell that to the Khalistanis who in Canada are saying that they're going to stand by Pakistan if there is a conflict with India.
Dar say Daku, and there's a Hindu with a fat stomach and a bodhi, or Daku. So in the mind of a child, all Hindus are Dakus. ये तो आप बच्चों को सिखा रहे हो. And then you give, when you grow up, it's going to multiply. It's exactly the kind of reaction that you will have. So they have clarity. In Pakistan, there is a great deal of clarity of what India represents, what India is. We are confused.
Absolutely.
हमारे आधे लोग तो अटारी पे पहुंच जाते हैं मोमबत्ती लाइट करने के लिए, दूसरे कहते हैं बॉलीवुड में मूवीज करो, तीसरे कहते हैं कि हमारे साथ क्रिकेट खेलो.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.